Hello friends, in the previous video we have discussed about physical modeling. In this video we will discuss about behavior modeling, and mainly we will focus on agent interactive objects and agent behavior. So let's start. We know development of virtual reality model based on different key procedures parameters. These models are used to create virtual scenes or image by using different virtual reality programs. This development process contains three major steps, which include modeling, texture painting, and virtual reality programming. In the behavior modeling, whenever object interacted, it was assumed that one was controlled by the user, and it is also possible to model object behavior that is independent of the user actions. This approach become more critical in very large simulation environment when user cannot possibly control all the interactions that are taking place. The virtual objects have degree of independence from the user actions, which is called degree of intelligence, and many current simulations also model virtual humans called agents. Agent or virtual human is a 3D character in virtual reality that has a human behavior. Group of such agent or virtual human are called crowd, and it have crowd behavior. The degree of autonomy of virtual environment depend upon the autonomy of their component, namely interactive object, agent, and crowd. Let's see about these three terms. Interactive object. These objects have behavior independent of user input like clock. This is needed in large virtual environment where it is impossible for the user to provide all required input. The second is agent, which is a virtual human. It is a 3D character that has a human behavior. The agent behavior, where we discuss different type of behavior. A behavior model composed of perception, emotions, behavior, and their actions. In the reflex behavior, a direct link between the perception and actions considers, and it does not involve any emotions. As in diagram we can see the link between the perception and actions, and it not involve the emotions. This is reflex behavior. In the emotional behavior, a subjective strong feeling like angering, fearing, consider by the following perceptions. Two different agents can have different emotions to the same perception, thus they can have different actions. Here, the emotions one for one person, for one agent, and this is for second agent, and these are performing action 1 and action 2, and by their perception we are controlling virtual world. So this is emotional behavior. Here we consider their emotions also. Crowd behavior, a collection of human, virtual human or agent is called crowd. Crowd behavior emphasizes group rather than individual actions. Crowd can have guided LOA when their behavior is defined by the user, or they can have autonomous LOA with behavior specified by rules and other complex method including memory. So this is all over the video. Thank you.